Alright everybody, welcome to your very first AngularJS tutorial in which we'll be discussing about what is AngularJS and why it is used and what you can do with Angular basically. So AngularJS is a very new library, or you can say a kind of framework for JavaScript, and it has been recently very popular. And a little bit of its history, well, I know nobody right there is interested in knowing anything history about and all that boring stuff, but that's you should know a little bit. So AngularJS was developed somewhere around 29, and then it was backed by Google. Google basically gave its support to the developers of AngularJS, and the official AngularJS release was version 1, which was somewhere around 2011 or 12. Alright, so AngularJS, coming to what this is a simple framework coded purely in JavaScript, and is a JavaScript file obviously to work with browsers. And using AngularJS you basically make SPA applications, and by SPA I mean single page applications. So SPA equals single page applications, and whenever I make use of the word SPA in in AngularJS tutorials, then I'm referring to these three words together. So with Angular.js it's very convenient and easy to make single page applications, like your mini websites, or you can say your personal website where you can display your information about what you do and what you are, your portfolio and everything else. And Angular.js is set up in the very large website, very large database sites as well, because this is a very flexible kind of language and saves a lot of code. Alright, so AngularJS, as I told you, since it is a JavaScript only, this file here includes only the JavaScript, then it's obviously clear that whatever you do in AngularJS could already be done you can do that in JavaScript in vanilla.js pure. But the thing is that AngularJS is very compact and makes it easy to do stuff. So if you do that in, let's say, languages like jQuery or simple JavaScript, then your code is very error prone to bugs. So your code could be a lot buggy and it could be a lot difficult to debug, especially when you're doing like multiple AJAX requests between servers, asynchronous and synchronous processes, setting time limits, changing pages, animation and all that stuff. So AngularJS makes it really simple to work that way, and I'll show you why AngularJS is a very much better language to work with on single page applications than jQuery. So I guess that's much for the first tutorial, the introduction to AngularJS, and I hope that if you're watching this tutorial then you're deliberately here to learn AngularJS, and in this series we'll be mastering this language. So stay tuned with me and don't forget to subscribe to keep and have an update of the upcoming AngularJS tutorials. So I'll see you then.